Hello Vita. Today we are discussing about your next topic of your reading section, how to attempt comprehension passes. Okay? A comprehension test comprises of a passage which needs to be read well and answer the question provided below it. As the passage of the answers relies on the passage, it is very important to craft your answers effectively. By analyzing the given passage properly, the main purpose of these tests is to evaluate the intelligence and power of the candidate. Here are a few important tips for answering comprehension passages. Your first tip: do not use outside knowledge. Second one, make logical guesses. Review the answer at least twice. And next point, always read the instructions carefully. Always go through questions first. Most important fact. You should read the questions first. When we start to solve the comprehension passage, first of all, you read the questions. How to answer comprehension questions effectively. Your next point, when attempting comprehension, it is very important to take time and read the passage carefully. It is very essential step that you need to follow in the initial stage. Initial means in the beginning stage. Here are few guidelines for answering comprehension passages. First one, try to link the question to your answer. Second thing, never provide your opinion as answers. Base your answer on fact. Most important thing. You do not provide your own opinion, but answer on the basis of your paragraph. And second thing, the passage will never be so easy, so it is vital that you connect all the links together. Next one, craft your answer clearly with perfection and never move out from the original question. Answer it precisely. Do not include terms like it, that, this, stuff, things like she, he, them, they in your answer. Do not use. Okay, important point here. Or do not use these things: it, that, this, things like she, he, them, they. Okay, here are few tips and trick that you could make use of to conquer your fear of attending comprehension questions and enable to you answer comprehension questions satisfactorily and effectively. How to answer comprehension questions? There is only 9 tips to solve the comprehension passage. First tip, try to understand the passage. This is one of the most common reasons that many students complain about. Keep in mind, most important common reason, keep in mind that it is not expected of every student to understand all the lines. Okay, in words of the given paragraph, no one is expecting you to study all the lines and paragraphs and understand each and every sentence. Next point, try to understand the summary of the paragraph given and try to understand what meaning it is implied to. What is the central meaning of the paragraph? Though it may seem contradictory, but when simply put, just try to eliminate all the common word. Sentences, common word, sentences, phrases, understand the true meaning of the given paragraph. Try to keep focus and attention on the keywords and the turning point of the paragraph. This helps you to understand the questions even better and makes it easier for you to answer. Okay, your next point, second point, utilize your strength. First point, one of the most important things that a student should do is to exploit their strength. While answering a comprehension question, this helps them to save time and answer question more effectively. Next point, one of the many methods that most students use is to first read the passage completely. This allows them to get an idea what the passage is about and they can be familiarized with the meaning of the passage given, but this method is not comfortable for some students as they get confused about which keywords they should focus on, and there is a chance that they might even forget the important keywords and end up reading the whole passage again. Next point, another method that one can use to save time is using the down to top method. Here students can first read through the questions. Most important point, first of all you should read the questions and then read the paragraph so that this can allow them to get the necessary answers required for the given questions. Okay, your next point, this saves a lot of time since the students are familiarized with question first instead of diving into the passage itself. This also gives the students a fair advantage since they can know how to answer the questions and try to select any one of these methods that suit your taste and requirements. Okay, beta?